these rocker arm assemblies off. Got them matched up to the valve covers over there on the table.
Uh-oh. Yeah, this is me. The one is good. The other one is nearly twisted.
Ah,
But the one is mucho shorty. No need it.
dang. Oh, you'll get it. These on here for now, so I'll lose them. Take these off. I think they got a head bolt under them. Unless that is the head bolt. And you can see where it's been leaking. Well, let me get a light. You can see where it's been leaking combustion gases. Back to what we was doing. Get it?
Yeah.
Does it start? Does it? What's happening here
here? Who's on here?
Nah. See the gator up there.
That is a job. Which one is it? You don't know.
Don't know. Looks like all of them may be leaking a little.
Gasket?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this cylinder here is going to be the one that's our problem. Because if you'll look, see how wet that one is? Hang on. See how that one's wet, dry, dry, wet, dry. Well, this one here has got so much junk down in it, I can't even get the socket on it. Look at that crosshatch. Them cylinders look great. So let's get this thing off and see what kind of issues it's going to have. Yeah, let's get that light back on it. That was to get on. Oh yeah, she's not even tight. There's our problem. That's our popping. All look good. Alright guys, we're going to take the little Kubota and drag all this stuff. See if we can't slick it up a little and get ready for the shop, which is going right in here. I'm not sure where it's going to start. Probably in this area, a few feet off of that gate. It's going to be 24 by 40 for now, and then I'm going to have it where I can build lean-tos off of it. But I need to get all this smoothed out. I'm going to have to do some dirt work because I've got about a 3.5 foot fall from one fence to the other. So let's get busy. All right, guys. Well, the little Kubota did a pretty good job. I think it's all done. I'll have to wait till after the snow and ice clears away. It's supposed to start snowing tomorrow afternoon, I believe. But we'll start doing some string lines and stakes and figure out how much I got to take off of that up there and bring down here. I may just take it off there and not put it down here. That way both areas are already hard packed. But right now we're going to back this truck and trailer back in here and call it a day. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see y'all on the next one. Later.